How to change date and time in Windows 11 is what I'm going to show you in this video. We'll start off by left clicking the Windows Start menu button and going to Settings in the top right. Now on the left, you can see these sub menus. You want to click on Time and Language on the left, and now go to Time and Date. Now you're now in the Time and Date subcategory, and it says current date and time, which is Tuesday, October 19th for me, 2021, 2:40 p.m. You can now set time automatically using the internet. You can turn this off. And just for daylight saving, you can turn this on and off, and you can choose your time zone. Depending on where you want to live, or where you live, or which time zone you want to be displayed in the bottom right of your screen, you can choose that time zone. You could also turn all these off and change date and time manually. As you can see here, change and then change the date and time to whatever you want it to be. That's how to change date and time in Windows 11. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.